Today I saw someone from behind. I thought of you. My heart beat uneven when I recalled the time we knew. One day, but I know that one day you would have been laughing if you'd have seen me stand and stare. I wonder what happened to all the dreams we thought we'd do. I know we've changed, but I still miss you. Sit down and write me a letter. Tell me what's going on. If you do it, I know you'll feel much better, knowing we're both less alone. Don't stay incommunicado and give it another whirl. I wish you'd open your window just a little. Send your breeze around the world. Sometimes I start thinking, oh, then I remember when we all were just children, blowing dandelions in summer wind. I don't like day, but I know right one day, no matter how long it's been since I have seen your face, I still smell the summer hay and the backyard.